Hello friends, welcome to Caltex Academy. Today we are looking at quotient rule. And by the way, I had a series on product rule where we looked at 4 good examples on product rule. And today we are going to look at question number 1 in quotient rule, and I've prepared 4 questions for quotient rule where I'm going to tackle each one of them in each videos. So please, to get notified, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you are tuned. In case of upload of the video, you will be the first person to get it. So without wasting time, let's have a look at this question. So in the first place, we can recopy the question down here, and we let y equals to x squared plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Now we can see that u is going to be the upper quantity here, which is x squared plus 1, and then v is the lower or the denominator, that is x plus 1. Now let's go on and differentiate du by dx, and then we simply get here 2x. And then also let's differentiate v with respect to x, and here we get 1. And then quotient rule states that dy by dx given by, now we're just going to make a simple tweak to product rule in order for us to obtain the quotient rule. So we always start with v du over dx, and remember with product rule we had here addition, so this time around we're flipping it to subtraction. So u dv by dx, and the whole of this expression is divided over v square, and that is how quotient rule goes. So let's go ahead and make our substitution into the formula, and in the left hand side we have dy by dx equals to, the value of v is x plus 1 and then du by dx is 2x, so we multiply here by 2x, then our subtraction sign here, and it's good when we create another bracket here. So u is x squared plus 1, and then dv by dx simply 1, so we multiply this by 1, and then we can go to the denominator, so this is over our denominator, that is v, and v is x plus 1, which is squared here. So let's go on and simplify this out, where we have dy by dx equals, now let's multiply these two brackets together, 2x times x, we get 2x squared, and then 2x times 1, we get 2x. And then here we can maintain this subtraction sign and multiply this, so anything multiplies 1 remains. Just simply copy x squared plus 1, and then we can go ahead and maintain the denominator the same. So in the denominator we have our x plus 1 square. So let's open up this bracket to see dy by dx equals to 2x squared plus 2x. Now negative times positive x squared, we get negative x squared, and then negative times positive 1, we get negative 1, and still divided by our denominator, which is x plus 1 square. So you can simplify the numerator here. Still our left hand side, we can copy it as dy by dx equals to, now let's simplify the leading terms here. So 2x minus x, we get x square, and then 2x is only 1, so we say plus 2x and then minus 1. So we can divide this one here by our denominator, x plus 1 and square. If you can factorize the numerator, go ahead and factorize, and then you can simplify with this, but in this case nothing, we cannot factorize, and that is our answer. So please, if you get value in this video, support this channel by liking this video, subscribing, share with friends, and don't forget to watch the next upcoming video, that is question number 2 of quotient rule. Meet you in the other side. Ciao.